and learn how to learn. Understand how your memory functions and how you can use your memory more effectively to learn new things and new skills fast and easily. If you know how your memory works, then you can learn things quicker and faster than your competition, which means you'll stay ahead of the game. Hi, my name is Prof. Hew Gill, and I'm Professor of Psychology at Sunway University. Join me in my workshop, Learning to Learn, a user guide for your memory. I look forward to seeing you very soon.